Q9053. To assure expeditious handling of a civilian air ambulance flight, the word lifeguard should be entered in which section of the flight plan? A. Aircraft type / special equipment block. B. Pilot's name and address block. C. Remarks block. The correct answer is C. To assure expeditious handling of a civilian air ambulance flight, the word lifeguard should be entered in the remarks block of the flight plan. The remarks block is used to provide additional information or special instructions related to the flight. By including the keyword lifeguard in the remarks block, air traffic control and other relevant authorities are immediately made aware that the flight is an air ambulance operation. This designation helps prioritize the handling of the flight and ensures that necessary accommodations and considerations are given to the medical nature of the mission. 9809. Before requesting RVSM clearance, each person A. shall correctly annotate the flight plan. B. must file an ICAO RVSM flight plan. C. should file for odd altitudes only. The correct answer is A. Each individual who requests permission to operate in RVSM airspace must accurately annotate the flight plan submitted to air traffic control with relation to RVSM approval. 9394-1. When proceeding to the alternate airport, which minimums apply? A. The IFR alternate minimums section in front of the NOAA IAP book. B. 2003 for at least 1 hour before until 1 hour after the ETA. C. The actual minimums shown on the IAP chart for the airport. The correct answer is C. When proceeding to the alternate airport, the minimums that apply are the actual minimums shown on the IAP chart specifically designed for that airport. The IAP chart provides detailed approach and landing procedures for the airport, including minimum visibility and altitude requirements. 9394-2. An airport may use if not be qualified for alternate? A. The airport has a WOS 3 weather reporting. B. The airport is located next to a restricted or prohibited area. C. The nav aids used for the final approach are unmonitored. The correct answer is C. An airport may not be qualified for use as an alternate if the nav aids, navigation aids, used for the final approach are unmonitored. When planning an alternate airport for an IFR flight, it is important to ensure that the necessary nav aids, such as VOR, VHF omnidirectional range, or ILS, instrument landing system, are operational and monitored. 9770. When planning to use RNAV equipment with GPS input for an instrument approach at a destination airport, any required alternate airport must have an available instrument approach procedure that does not A. require the use of GPS except when the RNAV system has a WAAS input. B. require the use of GPS except when the RNAV system has an IRU input. C. require the use of GPS except when dual, independent GPS receivers are installed. The correct answer is A. When planning to use RNAV equipment with GPS input for an instrument approach at a destination airport, any required alternate airport must have an available instrument approach procedure that does not require the use of GPS, except when the RNAV system has a WAAS, Wide Area Augmentation System, input.